Right now, we do want to get to the latest on the mass shooting from last week. Many families now demanding answers as to how that gunman was able to buy the rifles police say he used in the shooting and how he was able to get past security measures at the facility.
We're finding out authorities knew Brandon Holt was armed and dangerous to himself and others. But the state's current red flag law may not have stopped that tragedy. Fox
59's Russ McQuaid has much more from the Marion County prosecutor, who says there are limitations in the current law.
13 months before Brandon Holt attacked former co-workers at the FedEx ground facility last week, his mother had called IMPD officers to her house to take his shotgun away.
The information that our officers received was that he was threatening suicide by cop.
Holt then spent a few hours undergoing a mental health examination before he returned home without his shotgun. Then investigators say he bought AR-15 rifles in July and October.
As far as I know, according to the ATF, the guns were purchased legally.
IMPD sent its file on hold to the Marion County Prosecutor's Office. From there, Prosecutor Ryan Mears said even though Holt claimed he wanted to die at the hands of a police officer, there wasn't enough evidence to ask for a hearing. That hearing could have determined if Holt was enough of a threat to go on a ban list to buy guns.
We have one incident. He was treated by mental health professionals. They didn't civilly commit him. They didn't prescribe him any additional medication, and he was cut loose.
Mears says his office has filed 8 red flag cases so far this year, and until those cases are resolved, the people who have had their guns seized can go out and buy more.
If we initiate these proceedings, there's nothing prohibiting that individual to go out and then purchase an additional firearm or 20 firearms. They are free to do that until there is an actual documented finding where a judge says, I can find by clear and convincing evidence that this person has a propensity for violence or mental instability.
Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Prosecutor Mears says under the law, his office could not have obtained Holt's medical records, made a determination on the hearing, and met the red flag law's 14-day deadline.